Have you ever puzzled what makes a deep red beetroot special? Beetroot is often overlooked, yet a nutritional powerhouse when juiced, making it a colorful drink with excellent fitness blessings. However, no matter its growing recognition, most human beings don't know how a whole lot this modest root may also advantage their bodies. Did you understand beet juice has been a herbal cure for centuries, or that it consists of elements that nourish your frame, enhance electricity, and enhance your fitness? When drunk each day, what happens? How does it affect your coronary heart, mind, or pores and skin? Do you are making the standard blunders that could restriction its blessings? This video will reveal the 12 top-notch fitness advantages of ingesting beet juice each day, how to put together it correctly to prevent frequent mistakes, and the detrimental results to look out for. You shouldn't miss this. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Before we talk beet juice blessings, help each other flourish, please like and subscribe to avoid missing our videos. We're thrilled to help you start your health adventure. Leave your country in the comments if you're watching. We want to hear from you. Blood pressure drops when beet juice is under the influence of alcohol. First, I need to recognize you are watching. Type 1 in comments if this video resonates. If not, type 0. Beet juice is a strong natural high blood pressure remedy, and the science is fascinating. Beets include natural nitrates, which your body turns into blood vessel-loving nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, opening them and relieving heart strain. This system decreases blood pressure and increases movement, offering oxygen and nutrients to your brain, heart, and muscles more effectively. But don't trust me. Solid science supports this. In hypertensives, eating 250 ml, 1 cup of beet juice every day lowers blood pressure, according to a hypertension journal study. Results were observed within hours of drinking the juice, and common consumption indicated significantly better long-term advantages. Beet juice can control high blood pressure naturally and effectively, especially for people who want to reduce medication. More remarkable, beet juice lowers more than blood pressure. It reduces heart disorder and stroke headaches. It helps your cardiovascular system like few other natural medicines by boosting blood flow and decreasing heart workload. Beet juice may be the simple natural cure to excessive blood pressure or heart health. Small changes can have life-changing effects. Increase stamina and power. Being exhausted. Beets are a natural way to refresh and enhance stamina. Beets' natural nitrates boost oxygen flow, especially to muscles. Nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood arteries, is produced from beet juice nitrate. This increases oxygen-rich blood flow to your muscles, fueling them for peak performance. Beet juice is popular with athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Drinking beet juice before exercising has been shown to boost endurance and performance. It helped athletes exercise 16% longer, according to a Journal of Applied Physiology study. This difference is significant, especially for those who want to push themselves in workouts or competitions. It's not just athletes who benefit. Beet juice can boost your energy and reduce exhaustion when working, playing, or exercising. It's like a natural pre-workout drink, without caffeine or additives. Beet juice may be the secret to fighting fatigue and boosting energy. A minor change to your routine can improve your mood and performance. 3. Get healthy skin. Wishing for good skin? A glass of beet juice may hold the key. Powerful nutrients in beets transform skin from the inside out. One of its best benefits is natural blood purification. Beet juice boosts circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells for a healthy, bright glow. Not only that, beet juice is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that fights free radicals and repairs skin. It can reduce blemishes, dark spots, and uneven skin tone, making your skin clearer and younger looking. Vitamin C increases collagen formation, which keeps skin supple and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Even more impressive, beet juice contains betaines, which give it its rich red hue. These anti-inflammatory and detoxifying ingredients reduce puffiness and soothe sensitive skin. Beet juice also prevents dryness and gives skin a dewy look due to its high water content. Beet antioxidants protect the skin from pollution and UV rays. According to a Journal of Dermatological Science study, Beet juice is a natural, economical alternative to makeup and expensive skincare products for a healthy glow. Your skin will thank you for its inner beauty. 4. Promotes cardiac health. Your heart works hard to keep you alive, so nurture it. That's where beet juice comes in. Nutrition and chemicals in this heart-healthy drink support cardiovascular fitness in many ways. One of its strongest benefits is its high nitrate content, which your body converts to nitric oxide. This chemical relaxes and expands blood arteries, increasing circulation and cardiac function. Beet juice boosts cardiac muscle strength and blood flow. Beet juice improves muscular function in heart failure patients, enhancing physical performance and reducing fatigue. According to a Journal of Cardiology study, it naturally supports heart health. Another benefit: cholesterol management. Betalains and flavonoids in beet juice reduce LDL and raise HDL. It balances cholesterol, lowering the risk of arterial plaque, a leading cause of heart disease and stroke. Beet juice. Potassium regulates blood pressure and pulse. Potassium reduces sodium's effect on hypertension, a major heart disease risk. Beet juice supports heart health holistically. Adding it to your routine is a natural, nutrient-rich way to optimize heart function, reduce disease risk, and keep you active for years. 5. Brain enhancement. Imagine drinking beet juice each day to enhance your brain. Yes, this vibrant drink is natural brain food, not just for your body. Beet nitrates are the key. The brain gets more blood flow when these nitrates are turned into nitric oxide. Now things get interesting. Beet juice enhances frontal lobe blood flow, according to research. Why does that matter? The brain's control center is in the frontal lobe, home to memory, decision-making, focus, and creativity. Beet juice improves brain flow, keeping you alert. The benefits don't stop there. As we age, our brains naturally receive less blood, which can cause memory loss and cognitive difficulties. Beet juice prevents. The Journal of Gerontology reported that older adults who drank beet juice before exercising had better brain connections and sharper cognition, like working out your head and body at the same time. Beet juice is a simple natural method to boost brain function. Whether you're working, studying, or aging, it's a daily investment in mental clarity and long-term cognitive health. Not just a drink. Let your brain get the love it deserves. 6. Promotes cleansing. Your liver is the body's ultimate multitasker, filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and maintaining internal systems. With today's hectic lifestyles and poor diets, your liver may need extra help. Beet juice, a natural detoxifier, supports your liver's function. The key is betaine, a powerful antioxidant found in beets. Betaine helps your liver break down and remove toxins faster, reducing damage. It also reduces liver fat, which can lead to major health problems if left untreated. Beet juice aids your liver by supporting fat metabolism, and it benefits the whole body. A healthy liver improves digestion, energy, and skin. Imagine pressing your internal reset button. Beets' beta-cyanins, which give them their vibrant color, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect liver cells. According to research, beet juice detoxifies and protects one of your body's most vital organs. Feeling sluggish or worn down? Try beet juice to refresh your liver and your body. A simple, natural way to feel lighter, healthier, and more energized every day. 7. Reduces inflammation. Your body fights back with inflammation when something's off, but prolonged inflammation can damage your health. From joint pain to chronic illnesses, many of our problems are rooted in inflammation. What if there was a delicious natural defense? Beet juice. This nutritious drink soothes your body. Betalains, the pigments that give beets their deep red color, are anti-inflammatory. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and help your body heal faster. Beet juice can relieve arthritis, stiffness, muscle pain, and even hidden inflammation tied to heart disease and diabetes. Its organic function is even more impressive. Beet juice minimizes tissue and organ damage by reducing oxidative stress and neutralizing free radicals. Beet juice minimizes tissue and organ damage by reducing oxidative stress, and the best part, you don't need weeks or months to feel the difference. After just a few days of drinking beet juice, many report less joint soreness and better mobility. Tired of inflammation? Let beet juice lift the burden. A simple, natural way to feel lighter, stronger, and more at ease. Glass by glass. 8. Aids weight loss. Beet juice can be your best friend on a weight loss journey. This bright drink is low in calories and full of nutrients that support fat loss. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack. Beet juice helps you meet your calorie goals by lowering appetite. Not only that, beet juice aids digestion. Beet fiber regulates bowel movements and feeds intestinal microorganisms. A healthy digestive system helps your body absorb nutrients and eliminate waste and toxins, promoting weight loss. Beet juice also boosts energy. Another weight loss advantage: its natural nitrates increase muscle blood flow and oxygen delivery, making it easier to stay active and power through workouts. This natural energy boost may help you exercise or stay energetic throughout the day. Beet juice has a low glycemic index, preventing blood sugar spikes. It keeps energy levels steady and reduces cravings for sugary snacks. A common weight loss challenge. A simple, successful weight loss strategy is to drink beet juice daily. This nutrient-packed drink will leave you satisfied, invigorated, and ready to start your health journey. 9. Boosts immunity. Maintaining a strong immune system is vital for good health. Beet juice naturally boosts immunity thanks to its vitamin and mineral content. Vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and other nutrients in this vivid drink strengthen your body's defenses. Beet juice is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that enhances immunity. It promotes the development of white blood cells, which fight off bacteria and viruses. Vitamin C also protects cells from free radical damage, giving your immune system even more support. Beet juice contains iron, essential for producing hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein in red blood cells. A strong immune response depends on proper oxygenation, giving cells the power to fight invaders. It also contains magnesium, which regulates immune activities and reduces inflammation, a factor that can impair your body's defenses. These nutrients work together to enhance overall health and resilience. Beet juice also detoxifies, which further supports your immune system. Beet juice isn't just tasty, it gives your body the tools it needs to stay strong, healthy, and ready for anything. 10. Aids digestion. Maintaining your digestive system is crucial for total health. Thanks to its high fiber and vitamin content, beet juice supports digestion naturally. Beets are rich in fiber, the hero of gut health. Beet juice prevents constipation and keeps your digestive system functioning smoothly. But the benefits don't stop there. Beet juice naturally cleanses the intestines, flushing out toxins and waste. This makes your digestive tract's friendly bacteria much happier. These good bacteria help digest food, absorb nutrients, and boost immunity. A balanced gut microbiome improves digestion, nutrition, and reduces digestive issues. Beet juice is also full of betaine, which supports liver function. Since the liver produces bile to help break down fats, a healthy liver improves digestion too. Beet juice. Natural nitrates increase blood flow to your digestive organs, providing the oxygen and nutrients they need to do their job. Beet juice may help relieve bloating, irregularity, and slow digestion. It's an easy, natural way to keep your gut happy, digestion smooth, and your body lighter and more energized every day. 11. Fights cancer. Beet's bright pink-red color isn't just attractive, it points to their cancer-fighting power. Beet flanes, the strong antioxidants in beets, give them this rich color. These compounds protect your body from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and lead to chronic diseases like cancer. Beet flanes scavenge free radicals before they can harm you. Reduced oxidative stress protects cells from DNA damage, a major cancer risk factor. Beet flanes are powerful cancer fighters because of their anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor properties. Beet juice has been studied for its ability to reduce the risk of breast, colon, and lung cancer. The Journal of Cancer Prevention study found beet antioxidants may prevent cancer cell development and even trigger cell death. Beet's high fiber content promotes healthy bowel movements and lowers digestive tract toxicity. Vitamin C and manganese further improve beet juice's cancer-fighting potential. These nutrients support your immune system and help lower cancer risk. Beet juice boosts your body's natural defense system in a simple, straightforward way. It's more than a drink, it's a step toward health and resilience. 12. Encourages healthy pregnancy. Beet juice can be an excellent supplement to a healthy diet for pregnant women. It's rich in folate, a B vitamin essential to fetal growth. Folate is needed to build the neural tube, which becomes the baby's brain and spinal cord. Prenatal folate intake prevents neural tube defects like spina bifida, and it enhances fetal development. Beet juice has more pregnancy benefits. It's full of iron, which helps make red blood cells and prevents anemia during pregnancy. Beet juice improves oxygen transport to mother and baby, ensuring both receive proper nutrients. Its natural nitrates enhance blood flow, reduce swelling, and help regulate blood pressure, which may reduce the risk of preeclampsia. Beet juice also contains vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and potassium, which balances electrolytes and reduces muscle cramps during pregnancy. It detoxifies and supports liver function, helping the body handle pregnancy's extra load. Beet juice offers essential nutrients and support for both mom and baby. Of course, any dietary change during pregnancy should be discussed with a doctor to ensure it fits your nutrition plan. Preparation tips. After learning about beet juice's many benefits, let's explore how to make it properly to maximize its nutritional content. Though simple, some essential steps can make all the difference. For pure nutrition without pesticides, start with clean, organic beets. Wash them thoroughly and peel them if the skin feels too rough or earthy. Chop the beets into small pieces to make blending easier. Add a little water to your blender for a smoother mix. You can also blend in other fruits and vegetables for extra flavor and nutrients. Carrots, apples, ginger, and lemon all enhance beet flavor and boost health benefits. Once blended, strain the liquid for a smooth texture or leave it as is to retain more fiber. When to drink it, timing matters. Drink beet juice on an empty stomach in the morning for best nutrient absorption and a strong start to your day. If using it as a pre-workout drink, consume it 2 to 3 hours before exercise to get the stamina boost. Pro tip: beet juice is powerful. Start with half a cup to allow your body time to adjust. Gradually increase your intake as your system adapts. Enjoy fresh beet juice to fuel your health journey. Beetroot side effects. Beet juice offers amazing health benefits, but it can have side effects you should be aware of before drinking it daily. Here are a few considerations. Red or pink urine or stool. Don't worry, this harmless condition is called beeturia and is caused by beet pigments. It may be surprising if you're not expecting it, but it's not dangerous. If you have a history of kidney stones, be careful. Beets are high in oxalates, which can trigger stones in sensitive individuals. Consult your doctor before adding beet juice to your daily routine. Also, consider your blood pressure. While beet juice helps lower high blood pressure, it may lower it too much for people with naturally low levels. Monitor your blood pressure if you drink it often. Because of its high fiber content, excessive beet juice may cause bloating or diarrhea in some people. Allow your body to get used to it with small servings. Rarely, some individuals may have allergic reactions, such as rashes or itching. If that happens, stop and consult a medical professional. So what's the key? Moderation. A single glass per day is usually enough to provide all the benefits while reducing risk. Listen to your body and enjoy this powerful drink mindfully. Final words? That's it. Daily beet juice can enhance your energy, heart, brain, skin, and digestion. It's a simple, natural way to boost overall health. Just remember, moderation is essential, and proper preparation ensures you get all the benefits without the drawbacks. Have you tried beet juice? How do you feel after drinking it? Share in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Cheers for watching and for supporting our channel. We chose 2 more videos to keep you learning. Click one, and we'll meet you there.